in the network marketing space by getting the AI to analyze this page for me, right? By giving it, of course, a meaningful prompt for it to proceed its analysis work on a competitor sales page. And thereafter, I will get the AI to suggest to me what area should we improve on this sales page. And finally, the last step is to get it to prepare for me the entire sales page, whereby after that, I just need to copy and paste the improved version of this competitor sales page onto the website builder. And after that, we can just launch it. And the whole thing, right, if you have enough practice, right, you will only need, most likely, not more than an hour to launch your sales page, to start getting your qualified leads for your products or services. Now, let me flip the camera over to show you. So here we go. Okay, so for a start, you can copy, right, either the link or the actual file of your competitor website and put in this prompt. Can you analyze the sales page that promotes, whatever products or services that is, right, and get it to analyze this for further improvements. So there you are, in just a matter of seconds. It went on to give you a deep dive, the analysis of what is the strength and what are the weaknesses of this sales page of your competitors, right? They even went on to give you references, right? External third parties references, all right? Something like that, right? To help you to understand its analysis, okay? So thereafter, we can get it, right? It will actually prompt you, right? So what kind of format you would like to let it, to start creating your, improved version of your own sales page. So they have, help you to break it down into the various sections, right? For you to copy and paste it onto the website builder, which I'm going to show you subsequently as I scroll through, right? To show you the results of the ChatGPT preparation of your own sales page, right? Okay. Can you see? Right. So this is another version that, if you would like to do some A/B testing, right, on your sales page, that means version 1, version 2, they also can. The AI can also prepare that for you for testing purposes to see which sales page will get better results, right? Right. So here you are. So as you can see, very, very comprehensive, very professional looking as well, right? And finally, it is able to, help you based on your inputs, right, to create the visuals, right? Let me show you. Okay, which is this, that you can actually put it into your sales page, right, to enhance, right, the quality of your sales page. So now let's go over to the website builder, which the one that I'm using, right? If you have been following me, right, I'm using the system.io platform. Okay, so that is the logo of the system.io website builder platform, and this is the sales page that I've already done before recording this video. So let us go into the edit mode.